Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the overview of socket. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Socket is a listener with the help of which computer is able to receive requests as well as responses. It is considered as an endpoint of two-way communication link. Different applications run on the different systems, that is computers, which have sockets and are bound to the specific port numbers. Once connected, a higher level protocol ensures which is dependent on which port we are using. Here we are showing some well-known ports. TCP/IP is the protocol of the internet which is used to interconnect different hosts. A reliable communication is provided by the TCP/IP between two endpoints. A socket is considered as an endpoint of communication flow and is a mixture of IP address with port number. There are two types of TCP sockets in Java. First is socket class and second is server socket class. This class implements client sockets, also called just sockets. A socket is an endpoint for communication between two machines. These are the methods of client socket class. This class implements server socket. A server socket waits for requests to come in over the network. It performs some operations based on that request and then possibly returns a result to the requester. These are the methods of server socket class. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.